Let's take a nostalgic journey through the decades, exploring iconic bedroom styles from the 50s to the 90s. We'll uncover the essence of each era and show you how to incorporate these retro vibes into your modern space. Get ready to rediscover the charm of yesterday and create a bedroom that's both timeless and trendy. The sophisticated 50s. The 50s were a time of post-war optimism, reflected in homes that prioritized function and style. Bedrooms were no exception. Picture clean lines, a muted color palette, and furniture that was as beautiful as it was practical. Think natural materials like wood and leather, and colors like beige, gray, and black. Iconic pieces like the armchair, chaise lounge, and low-profile beds were staples. Complete the look with atomic clocks, abstract art, and a touch of greenery. The groovy 60s. The 60s brought a vibrant and playful energy to interior design. Bedrooms became a reflection of the era's counterculture movement, a canvas for bold colors, geometric patterns, and a touch of psychedelia. Imagine walls adorned with vibrant hues like orange, yellow, and green. Furniture took on playful forms, with beanbag chairs and modular pieces becoming popular. To complete the groovy look, incorporate lava lamps, macrame wall hangings, and pop art prints. The bold 70s. The 70s embraced a more relaxed and bohemian aesthetic. Bedrooms became havens of comfort and individuality. Think earthy tones like browns, oranges, and greens. Natural materials like rattan and wicker were in vogue. Textures were key, with velvet upholstery and chunky knit blankets adding warmth. Don't forget the iconic macrame wall hangings and an abundance of houseplants to complete the look. The glamorous 80s. The 80s were all about excess and opulence. Bedrooms became a stage for bold fashion statements and personal expression. Think bold colors, metallic accents, and oversized furniture. Neon hues like pink, purple, and teal were everywhere. Geometric shapes, mirrored surfaces, and textured fabrics added drama to the space. The laid-back 90s. The 90s brought a return to simplicity and comfort. Bedrooms became sanctuaries of relaxation and individuality. Think muted colors like gray, white, and black. Minimalist furniture with clean lines was the focus. Incorporate elements like plaid patterns, distressed wood, and industrial accents for a touch of grunge. Remember, the beauty of incorporating retro elements into your bedroom lies in blending the past with the present. Mix and match different eras to create a unique and personal space. Whether you're drawn to the elegance of the 50s or the rebellious spirit of the 80s, there's a decade-inspired bedroom waiting to be discovered. So, which decade will you channel in your bedroom makeover? Share your favorite era, and let's inspire each other. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more interior design inspiration.